Welcome back to our channel, math friends. Today we want to go over some tips and tricks that will make multiplying by 9 a lot easier. In fact, once you understand these methods, you'll be a 9's multiplication master in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the pattern in the 9's times table. As you go down the list, the 10's digit increases by 1. But the 1's column is also doing something pretty cool. The 1's digit decreases by 1. See the pattern? The 10's go up. 0, 1, 2, 3, and the 1's go down. 9, 8, 7, 6. Easy, right? Well, something else cool about the 9 times table. The digits in every answer from 9 times 1 to 9 times 10 always add up to 9. Let's look at an example. 9 times 3 equals 27. Add 2 and 7 together. What do you get? That's right, it's 9. Let's try another one. 9 times 6 is 54. Add 5 and 4. It's 9 again. This trick works every single time. This next tip uses the first two to make understanding multiples of 9 easier. If you want to remember a multiple of 9 between 1 and 10, just look at the number 9 is being multiplied by and subtract 1 from it. That gives you your 10's place value. Then for your 1's value, pick the number that adds up to 9. For example, if you are trying to figure out 9 times 8, subtract 1 from 8, which gives you 7. Now, just make sure the answer adds up to 9. If you have 7, how many more do you need to equal 9? That's right, 2. So the answer to 9 times 8 is 72. Let's look at one more example. 9 times 5. Subtract 1 from 5 and you get 4. That's the first number in our answer. Now to find the second number, make sure it totals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So that's our second number, and that also gives us the answer. 9 times 5 equals 45. Here's one last pro tip. If you're a fan of hands-on learning, don't forget the finger trick. Hold your hands out and fold down the finger that matches the number you're multiplying by. For example, for 9 times 4, fold down your fourth finger. Count the fingers to the left. That's 3. Count the fingers to the right. That's 6. Put them together and you get 36. It's like magic. We have a full video that explains the finger trick, so check that out on our channel if you want more practice. See? Multiplying by 9 is full of fun patterns and tricks to make it super simple. Practice these tips and you'll be solving 9's problems faster than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified about more math tips and tricks. See you next time on Learn This.